Introducing the new HEST Dually Extend 72 and 78, our solution to extending 3 of our Dually mattresses into larger, king-sized mattresses for the ultimate comfortable and roomy bed when sleeping in the outdoors, whether that be in your camper, RV, or wherever you sleep outdoors. HEST offers 2 Dually Extend sizes. The Dually Extend 72 is compatible with the Dually Wide, and the Dually Extend 78 works best with the Dually Long or Dually Queen. Both Dually Extends offer an additional 20 inches of width to any of these 3 Dually mattresses, and are made with the same enhanced memory foam found in all HEST mattresses. Adding the Dually Extend to your Dually mattress is extremely easy. Simply unfold your Dually, make room for your Dually Extend by sliding out the full width of your camper bed or making space next to your Dually, and then clip in the Dually Extend at the top and bottom of the mattress for a seamless fit to maximize your sleeping space as big, if not bigger, than your home bed. When putting the Dually Extend away, simply unclip the Dually Extend from your Dually mattress. The Dually Extend features a carry handle for easy transport and can be stored as is. It does not fold or roll. Use the same cleaning and storage recommendations for all HEST mattresses. Remove the cover and machine wash on cold. Hang dry for maximum longevity and store in a cool, dry location. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, email us at info@hest.com or check out our website.